Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder and chief revenue officer of Marketplace Valet. We have been an Amazon seller since 2006 with over 400,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to help you learn about Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about how to appeal an Amazon policy violation suspension. Let's get into it. If you are following along from my screen, we're going to cover the steps on how to appeal an Amazon policy violation suspension. If your account has been suspended, it's critical to act quickly and strategically to get your account reinstated. First, when you receive a suspension notice, carefully review the email from Amazon. This will outline the specific policy violation that led to your suspension. It's crucial to understand exactly what went wrong so you can address it effectively. Next, gather all relevant information and documentation related to the suspension. This might include your product listings, customer communications, and any other records that can help you identify the issue and prove your compliance. Once you have a clear understanding of the violation, it's time to create a plan of action, POA. Your POA should be structured in 3 parts. Identify the root cause. Explain what led to the policy violation. Outline the corrective actions taken. Describe the steps you've taken to fix the issue. Preventive measures. Detail how you will ensure this issue doesn't happen again. Make sure your POA is clear, concise, and professional. Amazon appreciates direct and straightforward communication, so avoid unnecessary details. After drafting your POA, submit it through the appropriate channel in your Amazon Seller Central account. Be sure to follow any instructions provided by Amazon on how to submit your appeal. Finally, be patient. Amazon will review your appeal and respond with their decision. If your appeal is rejected, don't give up. Reassess your POA, make any necessary adjustments, and resubmit it. Persistence is key in navigating the appeals process. By following these steps, you increase your chances of getting your Amazon seller account reinstated and back to business as usual. If you have any questions, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.